Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get AE-like text effects on VideoStar. I'm going to be using the pro version of VideoStar for this. First press on New, then go to Multi-Layer, then press on One, and then press on Text. Now you can change the text to whatever you want, adjust it to your likings, but for now I'm just going to go with this. Press Done, and go to Edit Keyframes. Now, the size, I'm going to drag it all the way down to 0. I'm going to go to about the middle and drag the slider that says Size up to about 75. Now I'm going to go to the end and drag it all the way back down to 0. On the second keyframe, press on the straight line up here and press on Custom and make a graph that's shaped like mine. This is how my graph ended up turning out, so just copy that and you should be good to go. Now go to the very last keyframe and select the straight line again and press on Custom and make your graph look like mine. Now your clip should look like this. Alright, press on back, press on color, and select tracking blur. Now adjust the slider to whatever you like. Now press this little down arrow and go to layout, and then select wave. Select this little arrow and you can choose if you want the waves to go left or right. It doesn't really matter, but just don't choose up or down. Now drag this little slider down a little bit. I'm going to do some trial and error, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this is what I ended up with. Now press on 1, press on Edit Keyframes, click on the opacity icon, and change the layout to a lower percentage. I have mine on 15%, but you can change it to whatever you like. Now press on Create, and then press Done. And there you have it. Alright, so for this next effect, you're going to press on New, and press on Multi-Layer. Then press on 1 and press on Text. Change the text to whatever you want, and then press on Done. Press on 2, and then press on Color, and drag the color to whatever your background is. I have a black background, so the color I'm using is black. Press on Done, and press on Add Mask. Make sure you are in the Shape section. Press on these 3 lines, and then go to this fuzzy square. Now press on Done, press on 1 again, and then just change the size down to 75. Alright, press on 2, press on Edit Keyframes, and change the size to about 130. Go to the end of your clip and drag your shape over to where it's not in the frame anymore. Alright, then you're done. If you want to change the speed of your transition, all you'd have to do is edit your graph. Press on Create, and then Done. For the very last effect, press on New and then press on Multi-Layer. Press on 1, Text. You can change the text to whatever you want, and then press on Done. Really quickly, I'm just going to change the size of the text down to 75. Okay, press on Layout and then look up Turbulence. It doesn't matter which turbulence you use, but for this video I'm just going to use the original one. Drag the slider down a little bit, press on Create, press Done, press on New, Re-Effect, and then press the plus button, and then press on the icon with a little man running in it, and then press on Jerky. Press on Quick FX, and you're done. Hopefully you guys found my video helpful. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. See you guys next week. Bye!